Hi everyone, so today my video is on my Jan month Oriflame order unboxing. So let's get into the products which I have got for January month. So the first one is nothing but I've taken the eye pencil. So this one, okay, it's from the one. So I've taken this and there are like two shades which I've gone for. So you can see one is blue and one is grey. So two shades I've gone for. So I'll do the swatching as well in a separate video, and I'll put the link below. Definitely I'll tag the link below as well. So these are the pencils, eye pencils which I've got. So one is blue and one is grey. And the second one which I've got is the one waterproof eyeliner. So I use this, it's very easy for me because it doesn't smudge. It automatically dries, so you can see the tip of it. Hope this is visible, so you can just see the tip of the pencil. So it is, I've gone for the brown one. Okay, so this is the brown one. I've already got a black one. So again, this also I'll be putting a short video on this as well, on the swatching. Maybe I can just show swatch now. So let's okay, so you can just see, okay, the waterproof, it's a brown shade and definitely it looks really cool if you want to try a different other than the black one. So this is waterproof, and again it dries up very fast. So then I can just show you the swatching for the eye pencils as well. So let me do that as well. And it's the blue one. Let me show you the blue one swatching. Yes, just see. And let me try with the grey one as well. Let me show you the grey one as well. You can just see two cool colors, right? I'll put a video on this two swatching. And again, I've gone for a mascara. Okay, this is Giordani Gold's iconic mascara which I wanted to try. So this is the product, and yes, just show you you can just see the tip of the brushes. It's really thin, which will help you to have a good curves on your eyelashes. So I've taken this one, the Giordani. Okay, the Giordani brand's mascara I've taken for this month again. And then I've taken a matte lipstick. So let me show you that as well. So yes, I've gone for this shade. Let me check. So it is Pink Pepper. Okay, so I've gone for the Pink Pepper. So you can just see the shade here. Okay, I'll just swatch it again, and so you can just see it's really a lovely color. So maybe I'll just show you here. So you can just see this. It's really a cool color. Maybe in my swatching video I can show you this as well for this, and it's really a cool color. Definitely most of us would like this. So I've got this one, Pink Pepper. So if I'm not wrong, yes, Pink Pepper. So the code is here. It is 41963, the code number. So I've got this one, and I feel it's really a good choice. I've taken this. Then again, I've gone for the, this is a new product that is launched this month, so I wanted to try it. Okay, this is the Cushion Foundation. This is a new launch by Oriflame this month, and I'm really eager to try this. So let me check. Okay, sorry, because since it's a new launch, I was really confused how to open. So this is the box, and here you have a button. Okay, so I hope it's visible. The button is visible. So this is the button. Okay, here it is the button. So you just click onto this button and it opens. So you just need to click on the button and it opens. And you can just see the product is here, and it has a cushion. Okay, and this is the cushion here. I think there's two compartments, so you just need to open it, and just you can see. So here you have the cushion part, and here you have the foundation. So let me open this. So just yes, so you can just see I've opened it, and guys, trust me, just a lovely color. Okay, so I've taken, this is a light ivory. Okay, I found this would suit my skin tone, so this is what I've taken. So you can just go for your skin tone, whichever you like for. So it's really a cool one, and definitely I also put a video on this once I start using it. So this is it. Sorry, the cushion has fell down. Okay, so here's the cushion. So it's a small cushion. You can either use a cushion or you can go for the brushes as well. So it's your preference, and you have a lovely placement for you to keep the cushion here. And yes, just close it. That's it. So I've got this one as well for January month, and one of the best thing which I've got. So let me show you what's inside this. I hope you will also love this, and I was about to take this lot for a long time, so I'll just show you what's inside this. So yes, guys, the one which was inside that transparent cover was nothing but the nail polishes. I got almost 7 sets. Okay, so let me show you one by one. And this one, you can just see the cool pink, kind of pale pastel color. So this is ice pink. Okay, so this is nothing but from the one, it's ice pink. So you can just see it's kind of a pastel color. So I'm a person who always have a good love for nail paint. So I want, long back I was like thinking to get a new set of nail paints for myself. So the next one is Very Ebony. So this is, I'm not sure what color it is going to be turning into. So this is the first time I'm trying this color. Okay, so this is the Very Ebony color from the one. And the next one is the Smoky Tofu. So you can just see, this is the one. Okay, this is the shade. So, and the next one is, this is Boynesberry Touch. So it says Boynesberry Touch. So I'm trying this as well. You can just see the color. Okay, so you can just see the color. And again, this beautiful blue. Okay, so it says Blue Decadence. So this blue I've got, and it's kind of a shimmery shade. So I wanted to go for this color. So I hope this is the right color. So you can just see, this is the right color it shows. And then I also took some more cloud. Okay, this is kind of a velvet. Maybe in the lighting it doesn't show the right shade. So this is somewhat kind of a purple. It shows purple color. So you can just, I'm not sure. It's not showing the right color. So it's kind of a purple, guys. So yes, this is another one. So I got 7 sets here. So that's the nail polish thing for my nails. So then comes my very important one, the cleanser. Okay, the one of the cleanser which I use for my daily face wash. So it's from the Novage. Okay, Novage set. So this is the cleanser which I use, and I'm finding really good results with this cleanser. Okay, so this is the bottle, and it lasts almost 2 months for me. Each bottle lasts for more than 1 month, 1.5 months to 2 months it lasts for me. So you can just see. So this is the Novage cleanser which I use for my personal usage, and this is the last product, and one surprise product which we have for this month, which I really want to show you. Let me unpack that as well. So this is the surprise that all our Oriflameians are getting this month. So definitely when you do your 100 points and kickstart, you are going to get this lamp, definitely a beautiful lamp. Let me show you what's inside. How does it look? I'm really surprised because I just saw reviews and it was too good. They said it was really good. So I'm just opening it. Yes, it looks wonderful. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so this is the lamp. Okay, and just see, guys, it's really wonderful one. Just opening, trying to open. Okay, so you can just see the lamp. Okay, it's the beautiful lamp which Oriflame has given us this month. Yes, this is a wire which they have, and you have a switch as well here. Okay, so definitely a lovely cute product which can be used at all places, at home, definitely at our houses, right? So a very useful product. So this is one of the gifts which we have got for this month, and along with it definitely the February month catalog has come up, and of course we have lovely products that is coming out on in the month of February. Yes guys, that's it on my video for this January month unboxing Oriflame products. So do watch my video, like, subscribe and share. Looking forward for your likes and subscriptions, and of course I'll be coming out with other new videos as well. Thank you everyone.